Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this video I would like to show you how to use your top clauses in SQL Server Management Studio. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first open your SQL Server. Then first you will create a database, name a test. Just simply select and execute it. So a database is created, just simply select it. After that we will create a table, client, open a bracket, simply close it, semicolon. Inside that write your CID, begin, comma, CNAME, and the data type will be varchar, open a bracket 50, comma, then CCT, varchar 200, semicolon, and your C price float. Now just simply select and execute it. So your table is also been created. Now we will insert few records. So right here, insert into line value, open a bracket 1 comma single inverted Viraj, comma your city name Mumbai, comma 15,000. Just simply select, copy, insert another data, Raj, Delhi, float will be 10,000. That is our C price. Just simply copy that, paste it, third data, Anil, Pune, 12. Now just simply select, copy that, insert another data, number 4, that is Sunil, Mumbai, 9,000. Just simply copy that, paste, record number 5, Shreyas, Jaipur, city, 11,000. Just simply copy it, paste it, number 6, Ajay, Mumbai, 16,000. Just simply select and execute it. Now let us check whether our data is inserted or not. So right here, select star from client. Just simply select, execute the query. So all data is inserted. Now I will show you an example related to the top. So right here, select top 3 star from client. So it will display your top 3 record, just simply select and execute it. Yes, you can see Viraj, Raj and Anil, this top 3 record. Another example will be related to your row num. Write a query, select star from line. Here you will use our where clause. CID smaller than equal to 3 semicolon. Just simply select and execute it. It will also show your top 3 records. Now last example is related to your top percentage. So right here select top 50 percentage. So the percent star from your client. It will also display your 50% of the record. Just simply select and execute it. So you can see the same. All the 50% record we have total 6 and 50% is the record is 3. So in this way you can use your top clauses in your SQL Server Management Studio. Hope you really like this video. It is a small video. So hope you like it. If you like it, then please even subscribe my channel and share my video as much as you can. So bye.